Hey, what's up? Watch this video. This is about how to do your own hair. I'm just slicking, no, not your own hair, your own makeup. I'm just slicking my little piece of hair back, um, just to kind of show presentation. This video is about taking the extra step. Now, um, I got me a little brush, a little toothbrush. This is my husband's toothbrush. And I'm just slicking my hair back. And I'm just doing whatever I gotta do. And just taking the extra step. Combing my hair, my little thin edges. Yes, but I have more. I'm living in my grace. It's some that have more, there's some that have less. But I am happy with what I got. Yes. Okay, smile. And as you can see, I got my at home bra on. Oh, okay. I'm a little homely. Then this is homely. This is giving homely, and this is giving low maintenance. This is low maintenance. When you all say I want a low maintenance style, this is low maintenance. This is what we consider. This is what I consider low maintenance. This is go to the store, look homely, get you a Pepsi and some chips, and go back and lay down. So I'm gonna take it up a notch. So I slick back. Okay, level one. So I'm going to go in and what's that? I'll do my makeup. So first, you can't tell me nothing. It's confidence. So what I'm gonna do first is put some foundation on, tinted moisturizer. That's to smooth out my skin and to make it even. It don't take that long. And as you will see in this video, it don't take that long at all. So I'm putting this all over my skin to help moisturize it. It's like lotion. You want to look polished, these are things that you can do to help yourself look polished. You see how smooth it came right on up in there. And I'm just doing this so that the makeup can have something to lay on. And this is just a quick, easy, simple way. You don't have to put all this stuff on. I'm just doing this for emphasis and to prove a point. Okay, then I went in and I contoured. That was kind of quick. I thought I had a video on how I contoured this. But we gonna do what we gonna do. And as you can see, and I went in there and I even put some black eyeliner to help fill in those little areas. Okay, letting them know. So the contour that I used was a darker shade and a lighter shade. You can always find that at anytime you go to a department store and ask for makeup, and then you blend it in with a blending brush to help give you a soft effect. Now that look okay, but it's not really polished yet because what do I need? I need some earrings. Oh, I did a little highlighter too. Now that's going a little extra. I didn't know I did all this. Look at the back, y'all. Oh gosh, don't. I'm finna crop this out so y'all probably won't see this, but this is a highlighter. Yes, girl. I love a highlighter. This is like level 12, so you don't have to do all this. But this is just showing you what makeup can do. And it's good to have makeup on stock, or when it's time for a special occasion, go get your makeup done. Especially in the times that we live in where everywhere you go, people want to take a picture. Okay, look at me all polished. Yeah, go get your makeup. Do it. Yes. It's worth. I put some lashes on. And now look, I'm picture ready. Okay. Ah, look at me. You gotta love yourself. You gotta be your biggest fan. Yes, I am. Look at that, girl. Yes. Okay. Look, oh, girl, from the angle and pull that camera up so it make you look slim in the face. All my pictures are from the up, like 6 feet and up. Don't come straight up with me with no camera. And that's how I started out. So, I hope y'all was paying attention. That's that homely look. That's that. I just want something low maintenance. This low maintenance, y'all. But I'm still cute. But you choose. Keep in mind, okay? You choose what low maintenance is. Ain't nothing wrong with low maintenance, but polished, okay? Polish yourself. Thank you. Continue to be blessed. If you like more, pray for me. I'll get you more. Like, subscribe, and share, and have a wonderful day. And keep being blessed. Look at me, y'all. Thank you, Beth. Thanks